As you see here, the right place for putting the nib is not in the middle of pen holder. In fact, you should put the nib behind those curved metals. When you use a new nib, you should remove the oil which has been sprayed on it for protecting the nib from rusting. So the oil doesn't let the nib to absorb enough ink. For cleaning the nib from the oil, dip the nib into the ink and rub it several times on a tissue. Then you'll see that the ink can cover the whole surface of the nib gradually. The letter A is made by the combination of basic strokes 5 and 3. After drawing the basic stroke 5, try to add the basic stroke 3 at a tangent to 5 somehow not to distort the oval form of the basic stroke 5. As you see here, the oval form can be seen again. For drawing the letter C, start like basic stroke 5 and finish it in a 45-degree angle. Then draw a dot behind the 2 o'clock position. Letter E is written like letter C. But after finishing with a 45-degree angle, connect the position 2 o'clock to 9. As you see here, the ending of both letters is 45 degrees. Letter H starts with basic stroke 8. And after turning round on top rule, start coming down and increase the pressure gradually and make the end of the stroke flat right on base rule. The highest pressure is here. Then add the basic stroke 4 at a tangent to it somehow. You don't have any angle here. Some of the letters start with a stroke which is called connecting stroke. Although this stroke is like basic stroke 7, the line that connects both heads is 45 degrees. As you know, the mentioned line in basic stroke 7 is parallel with the slope line. As you see here, for letter I, draw a connecting stroke, then add basic stroke 3 to it. Somehow it touches the connecting stroke to some extent between head rule and base rule. Then put the point of this letter between number rule and head rule, right in the same line with the letter. As you see here, the connecting stroke and the end of I is 45 degrees. Again, for writing letter J, draw a connecting stroke first and then add the basic stroke 6 to it. Both of these parts of J should be in the same line and parallel with the slope line. For writing N, draw the basic stroke 2 Then add the basic stroke 4 to it like what you did for letter H. So we don't have any angle here either. The letter O is the combination of basic stroke 5 and 9. Remember to draw the basic stroke 9 right on 2 o'clock position.